Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And first thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line up there. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere you look. But the first key, not necessarily update, wouldn't be the right word, but bit of confirmation is in regards to this 455 mark, which in yesterday's video on Monday talked about as resistance. And you can see that this morning, there was definitely a good solid bounce to the upside. But surprise, surprise, the power of charts, that level that I talked about as resistance, not only did it act as resistance, it actually, pushed the price all the way back down there, downwards, to the point where it actually broke down below that $4 mark, which had been a very important level going forward, which brings about the next, I won't say an update, but more so an adjustment. And the key question here becomes, what direction is this adjustment needing to be made? And I'm going to go ahead, now that we have more data, and adjust this level of support. It's more accurate down here at 388. Whenever levels of support need to be adjusted lower, definitely not a good sign as far as true strength is concerned. Now, does that mean that this thing's for sure going down to $1.50 tomorrow? I'm not saying that. My point is it's not an ideal situation when those levels of support need to then be adjusted even lower and lower, and which is what needed to take place here. So keep a close eye now on the 388 mark, and potentially some sort of double bottom here is trying to form. Got the low right there, and the price is trying to form some sort of bottom right here. But yeah, things are definitely looking pretty shaky. And then to just give that much more context to everything by squeezing down the chart, you can see that if the price does not hold above that level, then yeah, there's definitely quite a bit of space until the next potential area of support, which is not until down there around the $3.55 mark. So we'll see what happens with it right now. But very clearly, the downwards pressure remains. But we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.